Hi everyone, and welcome to another video where we are going to play a bit with the inter-broker connectivity of Thor. So today the goal would be to set up a compiler between two different brokers and to, play a bit with the orders and the way it works with Thor. So as for the brokers, I've chosen Rithmic and dxFeed, which are the two main brokers out there. For Rithmic, I'm gonna take the Phoenix 76 that we saw through this entire series of video. And for the dxFeed one, I've chosen to take my funded futures account because that's a firm that offers dxFeed. So I'm gonna pass my credentials in just a second. So once that's done, I'm just gonna click on save right there and wait for the connection to happen. So Rithmic loaded, both of the accounts loaded. We can go to add account up, and there you go. So as you can see, we have our 76 accounts, which come from Rithmic, and only one My Funded Futures account, which is this one. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna select, let's say, the 62 for the leader and my dxFeed account for the follower. I'm gonna stay soft with a one-on-one multiple coefficients and no fancy features at all. The main thing to remember in this whole video is actually the symbol mapping button. So right now you see it says auto-configured. So basically Thor, this software, Thor client, is able to auto-configure the mapping depending on the broker of the accounts you have chosen. So Thor knows how to do that. And if you click on this button, it will open this stage. And as you can see, you have two very different columns right there. You have the original symbol, which is in this case the Rithmic symbol, and the follower symbol, which is here it's a My Funded Futures logo, but in reality it's dxFeed. So as you can see, the symbol is pretty different. Here you have ES and an at character, which symbolizes the contract. And on dxFeed, it's slash ES, the at, 2 points, XCME. And the at character is not even the same because on dxFeed it would be M25 and on Rithmic it would be M5. So Thor knows how to replace the character with the correct ones and to do all of that, but you absolutely need to check it by yourself, and when you're done, you click on save. So once that's done, you can just go in the left part and save. And we are going to go to Quant Tower. For that, I've prepared a little something. So this is the Quant Tower interface with my Rithmic account connected on it. And now that everything is loaded, I can finally just place an order. And before that, I need to select the correct account. And if I click on that, you see that in appearance, we only have one working order. This is because, as I've said in the first video, well, in this case, our dxFeed account, this one, is not connected to this instance of Quant Tower at all. So we absolutely need to access the position menu from Thor, which will give us this stage up right there. And from this stage, we'll be able to see what happens with our orders and all of that. And so you see that if I click on working orders, the order is fetched and visible from there. And same thing, if I, for example, do a hold flatten, which will cancel everything, I click OK. It says that the request is sent. I said OK. And then you have the total suppression of your orders. So this window is extremely helpful. It will help you to keep track of your orders, everything like that. So as you saw, it was extremely easy. I almost didn't do anything despite explaining you the symbol mapping button, but it's not more complicated than that. With Thor, all features accumulate, meaning that, for example, let's say that for now on, I want to do some reverse trading. I just go there and click on reversed on, and I go back, click on save. I wait my little 10 seconds, and then I can just go to my limit thing and place an order, And as you can see, one is long and the other is short. One is limit, the other is stop, and the price is coherent. I can also modify it up like that, the price actualize. I can also up modify the size, and it will work just fine. So I think that's about it for this video. I hope you guys learned something useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.